On this crisp Wednesday morning, it is now time for us to celebrate some birthdays, and we begin in Pittsburgh with Liza Smith, turning 6 years old today, and this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa. Happy birthday, Liza.
All right, also in Pittsburgh, Brooklyn Young is turning 10 years old this year. Happy birthday, Brooklyn.
And we're heading down south to Joplin for Isaac Wilkes, who's turning 10 today. This comes with love from Mom and Dad. Happy birthday, Isaac.
All right, and Breeland Rutherford celebrating birthday number 11 this year in Iola. We had Breeland's birthday on yesterday, but didn't get the picture, so now we have it.
And you can see that she is a winner in this particular photo. Happy birthday, Breeland. Very happy birthday. We've also got Connor Profit, turning 15 in Pittsburgh. Connor, a very happy birthday to you, and look at him go. Even in the still photo, you can tell that Connor is on the move.
All right. And in Carthage, Cheyenne Zillafro celebrating birthday number 23 this year. All right, looks like she's a gorilla fan there as well. And Cheyenne's birthday comes with love from Mom, Dad, and the kids.
And we've got Stephen Hess turning 29 in Parsons today. Stephen, a very happy birthday to you.
Barrett Norfolese turning 32 years old this year in Carl Junction with love from the family.
And we've got Jeff Tershner celebrating birthday number 61 in Hepler, Kansas. Jeff, a very happy birthday to you. Looks like you are relaxing and enjoying, and I hope you get to do more of that today.
And we'll swing on out to Coyville, Kansas, where Kenton Claiborne is turning 61 years old this year. Happy birthday, Kenton.
And we've got Donna Holleran in Columbus, turning 86 years young. Happy birthday to you, Donna.
All right, and a belated birthday wish going out to Don David, who's now 90 years old. Looking great there, Don, in Greenbush.
Don's birthday was actually yesterday, so he gets to celebrate being 90 twice. What a great deal for Don. Happy birthday. And we've got Rosie Horn. Check this out. She's pictured here with her great-granddaughter, Kayla, down in Quapaw, turning 98 years old. Rosie, a very, very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Kim Stewart works out at the Bryant Student Health Center at Pittsburgh State. We thank you for what you do, Kim. Happy birthday.
All right, we've got some anniversaries as well. Gary and Joe Herman celebrating their 48th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary. And Marvin and Judy Bohr celebrating their 60th anniversary in Girard. And this comes with love from the entire family.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Severide Pena celebrating birthday number 4 this year. And earlier we had Stephen Hess celebrating a birthday. This is Stephen's nephew, and Severide is in Parsons. Vicky Ulepich, Vicky is celebrating in Frontenac, and Dan and Shirley Turpin are celebrating 52 years together. All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can submit them to us at birthdayswithans@KOAMTV.com or send them to birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're there, take a minute to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's a really good idea. You know why? Because you get some great birthday deals from local businesses, all thanks to the KOAM Birthday Club. So make sure you sign up today at KOAMNewsNow.com.